By a show of hands, who likes people? So let's remove them with a click of a mouse button in Photoshop. I've downloaded this image from the link in the description, and you'll notice that there are some people in the background that we can remove. However, there's also a main subject here that we don't want to remove, because if we remove the main subject, then... So first, create a new layer so that all the changes we're gonna make will happen on a separate layer. Next, activate the remove tool. You can find it here nested under the spot healing brush tool. And up here in the options bar, if you don't see this options bar, by the way, you can show it by going to Window, Options. So here, you should check Sample All Layers. Otherwise, it won't find any people on an empty layer. And then click on Find Distractions and choose People. And Photoshop will automatically select all the people that it thinks are not the main subject. As you can see, the main subject here is not selected. But look at that. There's a person over here that got selected as well. I didn't notice there was a person here, did you? Did you? Now tell the truth, or else I'll be very... No! Now under Mode here, you can set this drop-down menu to Generative AI on or off, or leave it at Auto and don't think about it too much. Click here to confirm. And done. The selected people have been successfully removed. In this next example though, we will follow the same steps. Create a new layer, activate the remove tool, find distractions, and choose people. But we will do one more step before confirming. We will use the remove tool to edit the selection. Make sure you watch my 2-minute video about the remove tool to learn how to use it. You can find the link in the description. So, you can click to add to the selection or press Alt or Option while clicking to remove the selection from certain areas. Just refine the selection before confirming. Now let's confirm. And there you go. No more unwanted people. This is truly a dream come.